So hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to grind up XP in extreme car driving racing. So there are actually two ways to grind, and I'm going to show you both today. So this is my fastest modded car right now. It is the default car you get from the starting, and my other fastest car is for a certain zone, and that is mountains in the mountainous region and that stuff. Okay, so guys, let's just get right into it. Single player. So the first is the shortest, but yet the the shortest and the most the shortest, but yet it takes a long time. Wait guys, I have to put down the song, the music, because oh my god, now, because then it will get copyrighted and I don't want that. Okay, so first let me show you the shortest and the quickest, but yet it takes a long time to grind, and that is to destroy these lamps and things. See, you get 3, but to level up you need about 500 XP. Each level it gets more intense. Okay, so guys, this is the quickest. So guys, this is the quickest and the shortest, but it takes a very long time. It will take very long days. And the second most quickest, but it takes a little long time, and you have to do it timely, and that is by doing these destruction and trials and these challenges. Each gives about so these trials you can do it over and over again. I already completed this once, and you can get about 50 XP each try, and about I don't know 300 or about 100 coins, the other coins, the gold. So first I'm a completed right again. I have to drive it very carefully though. After this I'm going to end the video. Really bad this. Oh my god, I keep missing. It's time. Oh. I somehow got that. Guys, I might fail. Oh. It is certain that I will fail, but it's okay. Bro, it's, oh my god, okay, it's okay. I think you can still get maybe about something. No, you can't. So you have to complete it to get the 50 XP and the 100 golds. Trust me guys, this is not clickbait. I never clickbait. So guys, this is it for today. Make sure to please like and subscribe and turn on the notifications bell to support me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.